Hey there, if your iPad is missing the Face ID option down the left-hand side, don't worry, there's a quick way to get it back. What we do is click onto Screen Time on the left. Next, we go to the right, scroll down, keep going to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once here, we scroll again, and we keep going until we get to Allow Changes to Passcode and Face ID. Press that, and now press Allow. Now let's check the left-hand side and see that below Screen Time, we now have Face ID and Passcode. So if that's helped, please give the video a thumbs up, as it really helps me and it will help others get over this problem as well. Thanks very much for watching my video. If you want to see more videos, feel free to check out my channel. I have videos there on LG TVs, iPads, iPhones, and many, many more pieces of tech you may find interesting. So thank you for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.